Good morning to everybody. Today, very easy way we are learning about all the joins. Yesterday, what I am telling, different columns are available also in a different tables. Then we are retrieving a data from those columns by using joins possible. In that case only, database servers always checks those columns data types. Those columns having a same data type means then it will retrieve the data. Then those columns does not have a same data type, then it does not retrieve the data. Up to that one we are discussing. But unfortunately, joins means very easy only. So many interviewer asking about join subtraction. They're asking. So many fellows are failure in an interview. Join subtraction means nothing is there in every database. Reporting side, left outer, right outer, full outer joins are there. In those three join side, join subtraction is a new concept is there. But how you are understandable join subtraction means just we are drawing the diagrams through that one easily understandable. First, we are join subtraction. I will tell you. Don't worry. And now here is eliminating matching data is called join subtraction. Nothing is there. That is in a left outer, right outer, full outer join side. This is available. How we are achieving those things means first diagrammatical. I'm telling today diagrammatically all the joins are very easy only. Now here write it side heading join subtraction. Your database this will be there. Join subtraction. Join subtraction. What is a join subtraction means maybe in mathematics based only easily understandable. Addition, subtraction, you have an idea or not? Yes, here subtraction means always eliminating. So now here is subtraction means eliminating. Which one is eliminating in this case means always matching data. So now here in a way eliminating a matching data, eliminating matching data. So now here matching data, not a matching data in left outer comma right outer comma full outer joins are called yes join subtraction. How we are achieving that one means I will tell you. Write it. Some theory, write it. In 9i joins, in 9i joins, eliminating in 9i joins, eliminating matching rows, eliminating matching rows, eliminating matching rows, eliminating matching rows in left outer, in left outer, comma right outer, comma right outer, comma full outer, comma full outer join. In 9i joins, eliminating matching rows in left outer, comma full out, right outer, comma full outer join is also called as is also called as is also called as join subtraction. Join subtraction. This is right. Anybody lately connected means this theory write it first. Then we are starting. Your database ANSI standard joins, otherwise Oracle 9i join side, eliminating matching rows in left, right of full outer join is called join subtraction. This is a terminology, join subtraction. Now slowly observe it here. Joins means how much easy means you are understandable. Now check it out. For example, first one inner join is there. What is inner join means? Say reading inner join diagrammatical I'm telling. Then only practical I'm showing again. Suppose these are the two tables are there. Observe it here how much easy. Same like a set theory. Here table A, otherwise table 1 anything also. Table A, again table B, table B like this. These are the two tables are there. What is inner join means nothing is there matching. Observe here matching data only it will be written. Same like intersection in a mathematics are not simple. How much easy? Here matching data only it will be written. That's why diagrammatically very easy joins are now here. But first without diagrams I'm telling. Now what is the syntax ANSI standard giving me is observe here. This syntax is important. Here yesterday without common columns I'm telling only that is correct. That is why ANSI standard giving a what the syntax means. Select here observe here. Select star is there. Okay, fine. From here table A. Here join is a keyword. Join is a keyword. Table B. Here on clause is there. Here on clause. Here on clause. Here table A. Table A dot. Here key they are giving. Key means in a column, but that the data type is matching is important. Not a common column. In a column is equal to table B dot key. Key means in a column only, but that data type is matching. Why they are giving a key means in the next chapter very important. Primary key for any key you are using, that is also say. Write it this one, draw this one, inner join, draw this diagram and write it this syntax and standard syntax. This is the original, very easy. You put database inner join like this. Table A, table B. We have to draw this one, set theory wise, very easy only. Now here matching data, it will be matching rows, it will be displayed or not? Yes. Syntax is select a star from table A, join table B on table A dot key. Dot key is equal to table A B dot key. Key means column. That column may be array column, that data type is same. Write it this diagram, draw this one and syntax write it. Very important. That's why anybody asking a MySQL, SQL Server, DB2, the any database side, not join means they're telling like this syntax. Okay, now completed fast. Otherwise, take a snap. Very easy. Now side heading left outer join or left join. Outer keyword is an optional, no? Yeah. How much easy observe it. Then only left outer join subtraction I'm writing. Anybody lately connected means fastly write it. Inner join. These things draw it first, then syntax write it. Practically I'm showing all the things. Completed? Yes, here. Next, left outer join, write it. Left space, outer space, join. Otherwise, left join, not a block. Why? Because outer is an optional keyword, not a mandatory keyword only. Optional keyword is there, outer. Now slowly observe it here. This is a table A is there, for example. This is a table B is there. Anything table 1, table 2, anything. Here table A, here table B. How you answer ISO SQL giving award diagrammatically easy way means left outer join means left side table all the rows no, including matching data also displayed or not? Yes, matching rows here like this. And now here, yes, here. Whatever matching data is there, we are eliminating means that is called joint row subtraction. That is the next only. And now here, what is the syntax? Very easy. And now here already have an idea. Practically also I am showing today. Here select star from table A, left space join also possible. Outer keyword optional, you are using or not using, not a problem. Left join table B on table A dot key is equal to key means cynical. Table B dot key. Write it this one. Simple. Draw this diagram. Very easy. Oh, left outer join means left side table all the rows. Right side table null values only, no matching rows it will be displayed, and a non-matching rows place null values. Simple. Now join subtraction I am telling what in this case only. How means I will show you practically also, but before that one diagrammatically first write it. Draw this one fastly. Left outer join. Easy. That's why anybody asking joins means don't mistake. That easy concept. Now left outer join subtraction. Subtraction means eliminating a matching data. Suppose this data I want to eliminate. Only left side table data only I want to retrieve. Possible, possible. How can I means in a way is null. Is the operator is there or not? Is null. Suppose the left side table location of data I want to display means right side table key column is null we are using. Right side table data I want to display means the left side table key column is null we are using only. Is null is a special operator is there or not? That one. Yes, here. Now side heading left outer join subtraction. Yes, subtraction, right? This is project report side. Very easy. Interview asking. What is subtraction means already I am telling you eliminating. Which one is eliminating? Only matching data is eliminating. They are giving. Observe here. This is a tables. These are the tables are there. Here table A. Here table B. Here in this case, observe here, slowly observe here. Only I want left side table data. I don't want matching data also. That is called subtraction. Left outer join subtraction. How can I miss? Observe it here. What is the syntax? ANSI standard giving in every database also. Now observe it here. Same like a left outer join, but extension is there. Select star or columns, anything, just idea purpose. From table A, left space join table B on table A dot key means in a column is equal to table B Table B dot key. Up to this one, you have an idea or not? Yes, not only that one. Here, extra concept they are giving. If you want to filter the data, then we are using a where clause or not? Yes, here. Here, where clause possible. Here, where. Here, diagrammatically, you are observing means B dot key is null or not? Yes, here. That's why table B key column is null actually. Here, table B dot key means in a column, is space null only. Okay, fine. Is space null is operator, special operators already we are discussing. In, not in, between, not between, is null, is not null, like, not like, I'm telling you. Yes, that operator they are using. Write it this one. Draw this one diagram, left outer join subtraction in every database, eliminating and matching data. Then just opposite side we are using key is null. Same like a left outer join, but where table B dot key is null. Practical, I'm showing these all the things. Write it. This is left outer join subtraction. Okay. Okay, na? Completed this one? Yes. When anybody lately continue means fastly take a snap through the mobile. Where table B dot key is null, is space null. Next, right outer join. Very easy. Right space, outer space, join. Or right join, no? Yes. This is table A. Here table B. Right outer join means observe it here. Yes, screen observe it simple. Right side table all the rows, no? Including matching rows on a left side table or not here. Very easy. Now draw like this. And syntax. Syntax also very easy. Select star select star from table A, right space join. Outer is optional keyword I'm telling you. We are using or not using also not a problem. Table B on table A dot key means in a column is equal to table B dot key. This is write it, then subtraction I will tell you. Draw this one, very easy. Right outer join. And syntax writing. Your own way also you are writing, very easy. Star place columns. In a number of columns I am typing. Select star. Select number of columns from table A. Right join table B. Now siding, right outer join, subtraction. Write it fast. Only full outer join subtraction is the operator is different. Remaining all the things easy. Okay, now subtraction means eliminating what this matching data. No, that's why table A dot key is null. No, opposite side. Okay, completed this one fast. Next side heading, right outer join subtraction. Right outer join subtraction. Subtraction means eliminating something, no? Yeah. Matching data. This is table A. For example, assumption. This is table B. Now here separatory means here matching data it will be eliminating, no? Yeah. Now observe it here. Here syntax. Select star or columns, anything from table A, right space join table B on table A dot key is equal to table B dot key. Here we are using a where clause, no? Yeah. So now here observe it here. But this is a diagrammatically means very easy. Left hand side, no? Where table A dot key column in a column is a space null. Write it this one. Very easy. That's why right means left, left means right. Is null is there, no? These are standard syntaxes, not only Oracle, but database. Only full outer join subtraction is different, which operator is suitable, I will tell you. I am thinking you are thinking different, but database servers using a one different operator. Remaining all the things easy. Table A dot key is null. Faster write it. Here star is not true in a columns also, in a functions also. But syntax purpose ANSI standard giving matches. Completed this one. Next, full outer join, write it. Full outer join, null values we cannot represent directly. Okay. Completed? Yes. Next, full outer join, write it. Full space join, otherwise full space outer space join. Table A, here table B assumption. Here full outer join means all the rows from all the tables. But null values are there, we cannot represent diagrammatically. Syntax. Select star or columns from table A, full space join, otherwise full space outer space join table B on table A dot key means in a column now is equal to table B dot key. Write it this. Draw this diagram and write it very easy. Then full outer join subtraction I will tell you. That is different. That is opposite of the bare inner join. Completed this one. Yeah. Next, last one, full outer join subtraction. This is a little bit of difference only. Why? Because actually you are also thinking about one operator and operator we are thinking, but here always opposite side or operator is working. Only that is a difference. Remaining all the things that easy. Now check it out. This is a table is there. This is another table. Here table A, here table B, here only Matching data we are eliminating, no, only left side table, right side table data. Now this is opposite of the where inner joiner, not? Yes. How can I mean? It's simple. This is a different operator only, remaining the same. Select star or columns from table A, full space, join table B on table A dot key is equal to table B dot key in a column. Up to this one, you have an idea. Here, a different only, slight difference. Observe it here. Here, where table A dot key is space null. Up to this one, okay. But unfortunately, I am also, you are also thinking AND operator. But here, OR operator is working. Reverse. There is a problem. This is only difficult. Or now here, table B. Now this is slightly difference only. If database same, table B dot key is space null. Write it. Draw this diagram. How much is all the joins? Firstly, draw this one. Table database, same concept is there. Completed this one? Yeah. So now observe it here, OR operator, not an and now check it out. These all the things practically I'm showing only. Very easy. And now here, concentrate, 5 minutes, concentrate, easily understandable. That's why anybody asking what? NA joins in NA database, very easy based on this example. Join, subtraction also, nothing is there, okay? Yes, yeah. Now check it out fastly. Now here, yes, here yesterday, whatever I'm using, but the same column I'm using, your easiness purpose. And now check it out. NA tables, NA columns, your own wish. Now here simple, just one table I'm creating. maybe in the table I'm using a what in a 10, 20, 30 like this. One data is missing in another table I'm using. That one you are understandable. Observe here, fast observe here. All the things here only tell me how much is it. Create table test one, S number is a column. I try to use a what number data type. For example, don't write it, just observe here. Insert into table name here, test one, here values like this. Here I try to use a what. So now here ampersand S number. Here 10, here 20, here 30 I'm taking only. Okay, fine. This is a what? Yes, a test one table. Select a star from here, test one table. Fast observe here. Again another table, create a table here, table name test2. Okay, same column I'm using. Okay, you are using a what? Different column also, not a column. Same column not required. Okay, different column also possible or not? Yes, here. Because okay, natural join and using clause I'm not applying. No, that's why same column you are not using also working. S number like this only. And now here, yes, here like this. Here only I try to insert a data, insert into what the table name is there, test2 values like this. Here only I'm using a what? Ampersand S number. Here 10, here matching data 20. Okay, fine. And 40 I'm taking. Non-matching data also I'm taking. Okay. And now here check it out. Select a star from here test2 only. Okay, fine. Here 10, 20, 40 I'm taking. Observe here. Actually 10, 20, 30 is there in a test one table. Here 10, 10 is matching, 20, 20 matching, but here 40 is there. 30, 40 not matching or not. Based on this one, first inner join, tell me inner join very easy. How can I select a star here from here test one, here join is a keyword, here test2, how much is it? And now join test2 only. And now here I'm using a what? On test1 dot here S number is equal to test2 dot S number. 10, 10, 20, 20 is there or not? Yes, matching data. How much is it? Matching rows 10, 10, 20, 20, it will display or not? Yes, here. Now left outer join. Left outer join means how can I? Just a simple. Here we are using a what? Left space join keyword. Otherwise outer you are using or not using, not a problem. And now here, yes, here left side table all the rows. Observe here how much easy. Left side table all the rows 10, 20, 30. Right side table matching rows, non-matching rows place null values, it will be written or not? Yes, here. Again here left outer join subtraction. Subtraction means eliminating a what? Matching data. How can I? Just tell me anybody. Now here where? Very good. Where? Here opposite table. Opposite table is what? Test2 dot S number is space which one? Null. How much easy? Now here check it out. Yes, observe here. Eliminating a matching rows or matching rows only. Now here yes 30 it will be displayed or not? Yes, here matching data eliminating. Yes, here another data is there or not? Yes, 30 it will be displayed. Simple diagrammatically. Now here, yes, here left side table eliminating a matching data. Now check it out. Again right outer join means very easy. Just we are using a what? In place of this one left right we are using only. How much easy? Now here right space join. Whenever right outer join means yes right side table all the rows. Observe here right side table all the rows, left side table matching rows, non-matching rows place null values are there or not? Now right outer join subtraction. Subtraction means eliminating matching rows. That's why here we are using a what? Where? Yes, here opposite table no test1 dot S number is a space null only opposite. And now here check it out automatically. Yes, here 40 it will be displayed. Easy, that easy concept. Again full outer join. Here full outer join means just we are using a what? Full space here, full space join only. Here we are using a what? Full space join. All the rows from all the tables. Yes, here 10, 20, 30 also displayed and 10, 20, 40 also displayed. Non-matching rows place. Null values are there or not? Yes, here. Now join subtraction. Full outer join subtraction. How can I? Eliminating a matching data, matching rows only. How can I? Where? Very good. Predefined. How can I? Test1 dot S number is space null only. Here only we are using a what? Yes, or operator. Here only we are using a what? Test2 dot here S number is a space null. That's why join subtraction also not a problem. Any interviewer asking this advanced concept means easily you are telling only 30 and 40. Very easy. That easy concept only. And now here only left side table data, right side table data, eliminating a matching data is there or not? Without eliminating a matching data, that only matching rows inner join. Here join drop subtraction through this one. That's why so many fellows are diagrammatically they are not knowing only. That's why confusing only join subtraction. I want eliminating a matching data, matching rows are they are asking me confusing only students or employees. But diagrammatically you are learning means nothing is there. But this type of subtraction is not there in any books only. But interviewer asking about regularly, interviewer asking experience level questions only. Very easy only. That's why joins are very easy. But these many joins you are learning also inner and vocation of full outer joint regularly used concept only and join subtraction entry question. And now okay, write it this full example. Yes, one example is enough. This example you are remembering enough. Remembering all the things not required actually. Now here, yes, here that much of easy joins, but this is not related to Oracle. In a database also working. All the database same concept. And now here 1 minute only. Just we are waiting like this. Now here write it this one example. One example is enough. Fastly write it. Already you have an idea. These are all the things. That's why without practicing anything also, these are all the things you have to observing means enough. Diagrammatically easy, that easy. Every database also similar concepts because whatever requirement is there based on that one we are using joins. Easy. That's the first time telling about a difficult way like that. In a last only more clearly or understandable always. First only easy I am telling me is you are okay, so taking light only. That's why different way I am telling about teaching side. Easy. Easiness is important. The next chapter, most powerful constraints, primary key, foreign key, check, unique, not null. That chapter is data dictionaries. We are learning, adding constraints, most beautiful concept. Then subcode is only. Fastly write it this one. I am taking 10, 20, 40, okay? You directly write it, 9I NR joy. Star I am using, you are using any columns also because ambiguity error purpose star I am using. Not writing means this is test one table, take a snap, test two table like this. I am taking like this, you are taking any data also. Anybody in this class WhatsApp group creating means those persons have the full notes is there. Those persons are helping me. Enjoy. left join or left outer join, anything else. Outer is an optional, okay. Left outer join or left join, anything else. Is outputs writing? Yeah, easy to understand. Inner join finished? Yeah, left outer join. Here null value. Left outer join subtraction, write it. Within the bracket, subtraction. Subtraction means eliminating matching rows. Now right outer join. First erect it. Right side table all the rows, left side table matching data, and non-matching rows place null value or not. Yes. Now right outer join subtraction, write it. Now full outer join, write it. Null value representation diagrammatically not there, no? That's why practically better. Draw this. Actually, next chapter constraints are there. In that one, primary key, foreign key basis, these key columns I showed. It's the original, but first time. Now last one, write it. Full outer join subtraction. output also write it. Completed a yeah past. Okay, na? Yes, yeah. Actually, now here two tables joins. Okay, like this. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, in a project side, three tables are there, or five tables are there, or 10 tables are there. How can I retrieve the data from those tables? Oracle syntax and also 9i joins or ANSI standard syntax. I will tell you. So now here syntax only I'm telling because that okay, so now n tables we are joining me is a normalization fifth normal form side practical I'm showing only in that case. And now here up to that one syntax I'm telling only. Finished completed this one. Yeah, and now check it out. Now here yes, observe it here. This is only OR operator. Okay, it's a not. Now check it out. Screen observe it here. Actually joining don't write it joining more than don't write it first observe it here more than two tables. Okay, how we are joining in every database more than two tables. Here example I'm joining I want joining three tables. For example, three tables I try to join. In my project, I want to joining at three tables. Three tables means 3 minus 1 or two conditions. Okay, five tables means 5 minus 1, four conditions. 10 table means 10 minus 1. That is nine conditions. Compulsory you are writing. Okay, fine. Now check it out. Slowly observe it here. Suppose, don't write it. Very interesting, very interesting. Here, observe it here. Suppose you are a Oracle programmer. Okay, fine. This is 8i joins only syntax is there. Don't write it. 8i joins syntax is there. Don't write it. Something is there. Anybody guessing is great. Here all databases, either MySQL database, either SQL Server database, or okay, DB2 database, or Teradata database. Otherwise, Oracle 9i joins or ANSI joins. 9i joins or ANSI joins syntax only. Okay, fine. Yes, ANSI joins. Don't write it. Just observe it here. Some very interesting concept is there. That's why I'm to now three tables I'm not joining. Now suppose your Oracle 8i joins means I am a olden days Oracle programmer means very easy. How can I just observe it here? Select, don't write it. Whatever columns I want to display, those all the columns. from number of tables, here from observe here from table 1 here. Yes, here comma is there, no? Yes, here comma table 2 comma table 3, like this only, table 3. Okay, fine. Here where clause, where table 1 dot key column, in a column, yes, is equal to table 2 dot or alias name dot key column. Okay, fine. Here and is an operator. Yes, here table 2 dot or 1 dot anything key column is equal to table 3 dot. Yes, here table 3 dot key column. How much easy? That's why very easy. Blindly we are writing about 8 joins also working. Okay, just and operator we are using only. Okay, fine. Now observe it here. In a 9 joins. Now tell me anybody don't write it. Don't write it. Syntax tell me. How can I fast? Now here maybe select. Observe it here. Column 1 comma number of columns. Very good. Yes, here from here. Yes, a table name 1. Yes, very good. Join is a keyword. Again, which one? Table name 2. Very good. Here again, which keyword? In between the tables, join is a keyword. Another one is what? Table 3. Anybody writing like this, blunder mistake, it won't work. It won't work. Everyone thinking about, oh, Murli sir telling about in place of comma in between the tables, join keyword only, but it won't work in a 3 tables. That's why practically up to now 2 tables I am using only joins. 2 tables means very easy. In between the tables, join keyword we are using only table 1, join table 2 on condition. But here 3 tables, 4 tables, 5 tables means ANSI standard syntax is very difficult. How can I mean? First we are joining 2 tables and then only on clause. Then only we are using a what? Another table we are joining only. That is important. Now different syntax. How can I mean? Observe here. That don't write it only. Just observe here. Suppose here. Now check it out. I am writing only. Don't write it. Now select whatever columns we have to display. Now those all the columns only. Column 1, column 2. Difficult syntax. Yes, here. That's why ANSI standard different from table 1. Here join here table 2. First 2 tables only we are joining on condition. Whatever on condition is there, table 1 dot here key column is equal to table 2 dot here key column. First 2 tables we are joining, then only we are using a what? Yes, here which one we are using? Very good. Join is a keyword. Here only join keyword. Here another table 3 like this. Then only again we are using a what? On clause. Yes, here again we are using a what? On clause. Again a table 2 dot key column is equal to table 3 dot here. Okay, so now key column like this. 1, 2, 3 also not a column. Again another table I want to join means again we are using a what? Join keyword each and every time. Join another table. Join table 3. Again we are using a what? On clause. Yes, table 2 dot. Okay, so now here yes, here the key column is table 3 dot key column is equal to table 4 dot. Again another table means again we are using a what? Join. Yes, a table name. Observe here. Each and every time minimum 2 tables we are joining first. Then only another table we are join keyword, another table name on clause. Join another table name on clause. Join another table name on clause. Join another table name on clause. A difficult syntax. That's why always ANSI standard syntax is difficult when we are using a what? More than 2 tables. But Oracle standard syntax is very easy when we are using a what? More than 2 tables only. That's why 3 tables. Now first syntactically write it at least today. Now here check it out here. Now for example, this is a what? 8 joins. Oracle 8 joins, no? Very easy syntax. Oracle programmer easy syntax. Now but here 9 joins, right hand side 9 joins or ANSI joins. ANSI joins means every database only the same syntax. ANSI joins. This is difficult syntax in ANSI standards in a 3 table joins. Now here first side heading joining more than 2 tables. Example joining 3 tables. 2 things variations you are write it like this. Now here again here syntax is there. What is the syntax? Select whatever columns I want to display, those columns and those functions, anything also, number of columns from tables, from table 1 comma is there, comma table 2, comma table 3. Any condition, okay? Just roughly you are writing like this, where table 1 dot key column is equal to table 2 dot key column. Again, and is an operator. Already you know, and is an operator. Here table 2 to table 3 or table 1 to table 3, anything. Table 2 dot key column based on the requirement in the project side is equal to table 3 dot key column. Very easy, no? Yes, this one. Table 1, table 2, table 3 is there, for example. But here, this is differently syntax, a different syntax, only difficult syntax. How can I here select whatever columns you want to display, those columns from table 1, join table 2 on table 1 dot key is equal to table 2 dot key. First two tables only we are joining, then only join keyword is there. Join keyword is there, another table, table 3, like this. Each and every time join another table on condition, on table 2 dot key column is equal to table 3 dot key column, like this. Write it this way. This is a different syntax, no? Actually, real-time project side, how they are writing that job. Okay, so this one means ANSI standard syntax means select number of columns from table 1, join table 2 on clause on table 1 dot primary key is equal to table 2 dot foreign key. Again, join table 3 on table 2 dot primary key is equal to table 2 3 dot foreign key. But primary to foreign key, up to now you don't have an idea. Next chapter side, very, very important. Yes, your constraint is a chapter is there. Yeah, that's why joins constraints are related. Okay, so now here in that one we are using only up to that one key. I am telling only key means in a column data type in matching we are using only. Okay, na syntax slight difference or not? Yes, yeah. This Oracle syntax very easy, where and we are using. But here join table name on clause. Again another table means join another table name on class. Again another table means join another table name on class. First two tables only we are joining, then only join keyword, another table name on class we are using. These are different syntax, okay? Write it fast. 9A joins or ANSI joins syntax. Okay, na? This is a joins only. Okay, tomorrow the problems I'm telling only in a where, okay, natural join using clause, and also I am telling you what constraint chapter. Up to this one, practice it. Very, 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 very important concept. Constraints, most powerful chapter only. First class is very, very, very important. That is a most powerful class only. Tomorrow I will tell you those things. Okay, up to this one, easiness purpose. These are all the things. Practice it. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Tomorrow we'll continue.